On July 17th, 2021, I set up our parabolic microphone and MP3 recorder in the woods of the Pigah National Forest in hopes of capturing the thunderstorm that was rolling in. Indeed, I did catch the thunderstorm, as well as 12 full hours of forest noise. After the storm subsided, you could hear the owls, insects, and other birds as the forest came to life. I also captured what you're about to hear next. The MP3 recorder and parabolic microphone was strapped to a tree at about 6 foot high. This little bit of audio left me wondering what was able to make this noise. If anyone would like to hear the full 12 hours of very relaxing thunderstorm, rain, owls, birds, and insects, leave a note in the comments, and I'll see about posting it. Also, leave in the comments just what you think this may have been. Thanks.